Hello, good morning students. In this session, we will take the design of shaft subjected for pure bending. Generally, the axles are subjected for pure bending. Because axles are used to support the rotating members. Now, from bending equation, m upon I is equal to sigma b upon y equal to E upon r, where m is the maximum bending moment on the shaft. This is the shaft and this is the force. So here maximum bending moment will be there. So m is the maximum bending moment on the shaft in Newton millimeter. I is the moment of inertia of cross sectional area of the shaft about the axis of rotation. Sigma b is bending stress in Newton per millimeter square, and y is the distance from neutral axis to the outermost fiber in millimeter. Suppose this is a shaft of circular cross section and this is the outermost fiber and this is the neutral axis. So this distance is y, and for circular cross section this distance is d by 2. We will derive the equation or simplify the equation for solid shaft and for hollow shaft. First we take the case of solid shaft. For solid shaft, I is equal to pi by 64 d raised to 4, where d is the diameter of the shaft. Y is equal to d by 2. This y is the distance of outermost fiber from neutral axis. This is d by 2. Now putting the values of I and y in this equation, we have this equation: m upon pi by 64 d raised to 4 equal to sigma b upon d by 2. Now by cross multiplication this value goes here, this value goes here. Now we will get this equation, and after transferring d by 2 on the right hand side, we will have this equation: m is equal to 2 by d into, in the bracket, pi by 64 d raised to 4, bracket is complete, multiplied by sigma b. Now d, here 1d will cancel, here 1d will cancel, and here 3 will come, here 2 will cancel. Instead of 64, 32 will come, and this equation will reduce to this, and finally we will get this equation: m is equal to pi by 32 in the bracket sigma b multiplied by d cube. This is the final equation which is used for design of axles or shaft subjected for pure bending. For hollow shaft, the value of I is equal to pi by 64 in the bracket do raised to 4 minus di raised to 4, where di is the inner diameter of the shaft and do is the outer diameter of the shaft, and y is the distance of the outermost fiber from neutral axis, that is equal to d by 2 because diameter is do. Now putting the values of I and y in this equation, we will have m upon pi by 64 in the bracket do raised to 4 minus di raised to 4 equal to sigma b upon do by 2. Now by cross multiplication, we will have this equation: m into do by 2 equal to pi by 64 do raised to 4 in the bracket 1. We will take do common here. We will take do common. So here we will get 1 minus di upon do raised to 4 into sigma b. Now transferring do by 2 on right hand side, m is equal to 2 upon do into pi by 64 multiplied by do raised to 4 in the bracket 1 minus k raised to 4 bracket is complete multiplied by sigma b. Now do will cancel here, 1 do will cancel, 3 will come here, 2 will cancel, instead of 64 32 will come. So this equation will reduce to m is equal to pi by 32 sigma b do cube in the bracket 1 minus k raised to 4 bracket is complete. So this equation is used to find out the diameter of axle or shaft subjected for pure bending. So this is all about the design of axles or shaft subjected for pure bending. In the next session we will meet. This is the end of the session. Thank you very much.